We cater to the yoga's not for me people, which are the best kind of people, I think. So the foundation of Soul City Yoga is yoga for all people, and kind of dismantling the idea of who yoga is traditionally for, a particular look, body type, race, age, weight, etc. There is a serious kind of lack of that kind of embracing all different body types in the industry, and so that's really where we started.
I think Soul City Yoga is truly a community yoga studio. You know, it was founded in our hometown in Lynn, and the people that we attract live in the area, and they maybe wouldn't be exposed to a downtown Boston yoga studio. And so they come to our space looking for that sense of community and looking for that sense of acceptance, and I think that we do a really good job at providing that.
Spreading the awareness that yoga is for everyone. If you have a body, you have a yoga body.